Hello and welcome to Candy Creations. Today I'm trying to recycle an old baking tray. So instead of throwing it away, I'm going to give it some new life and repurpose it. So I decided to turn it into a notice board, and I'm going to use that notice board in the kitchen to put up recipes or write down grocery lists and that sort of stuff. So let's get crafting. Okay, so as you can see, this is my baking tray. It's clearly seen better days. It's been scratched up quite a number of times in the front and also in the back. I'm not even sure how this happened, but clearly it looks like it's been attacked by something. So, seeing that this pan has seen its days, I'm going to start by lining the tray with some cardboard, and then we're going to do some painting. So I'm going to only use the top half of my tray as a cork board, and I'm using the cardboard to back the cork contact because it's a bit thin when you stick your thumbtacks in there. So I'm just going to cut out half of it, and the other half I'm going to use for like notes and other little notifications. So the hot glue started to raise up while I was painting, so I had to take that off and come back in with the UHU glue, which held pretty good afterwards. So now that the base work is done, I'm just going to apply my cork board and just add all my other little accessories. So the first accessory I'm going to make for my notice board is a notepad, simply because I didn't have one on hand to use for this project. So I just made a template as to what size I wanted, and now I'm going to just cut out all the pages. So now that I have all my pages, I'm stapling them together, and then I'm just going to try to hide the staples using this patterned paper. decided to add these sticks because the cardboard was showing on the side, so I'm just trying to cover it up by putting these sticks here. I have some other accessories that I'm going to also be using for this notice board, like these thumbtacks and the clothespins, these mini clothespins. And I decided to just paint everything in the usual color I use around my home, the accent color, just to bring everything together and make it look more cohesive. Using this toilet roll to make a holder for my stationery. So I'm cutting it to the size that I want, and then I'm going to glue it together and staple the bottom. So to cover the toilet roll, I'm going to use this brown ribbon, and at first I tried to use the regular school glue, which was seeping through the ribbon and it was showing. So I just decided to use some hot glue and glue it on the back instead. I want to use this clear hook to hook my notepad on to the notice board, but what I didn't realize was that the mounting tape was yellowing and it was showing through my clear hook, so I decided to just give it a coat of the same green blue paint that I've been using for all the other accessories, and this way it kind of ties in better, so I prefer it this way. So that was a short and easy project. I really love that I could take something old that I may have thrown out and give it a whole new purpose within my home. I really think I'm going to make good use of this notice board in my kitchen, and I hope you guys enjoy this project. To know more about Candy Creations, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll put the links down below. So everyone, I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.